The savages, being new and unfamiliar with the area, they soon lost their way. Checking the navigation, as soon as he looked down, the car in front of him flipped over. They dodged pieces of cheese big and small, and finally got hit by a big sausage. The brand new car had been driven for less than 2.5 hours. It's broken. The family pushes the car to find a place to fix it. Just fix it here. If the boss asks, it is the original paint. They arrived in a small town, although the language is blocked, but the aunt told them by gesture. The mayor speaks English. Little did they know that they were about to meet an old acquaintance. Bart was puzzled and angry at the same time. A murderer flees to Italy. He actually became the mayor. Bob says he has now changed his mind, and talked about why he was here. That was after failing to take out Bart. He came home lost. By this time Bob was tired of this life, looking for a place to start over. He pricked several places in a row on the globe, finally selected here, but he just arrived here and he is not welcome. Just in time for the town's grape harvest, they were too busy stomping on wine, and Bob's sweaty size 48 feet were discovered by them. It was an unprecedented harvest. He won the love of the residents.